Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Male Soul. Hope you all are doing well. So we are back again with our new topic, that is things that girl finds sexy about men. So watch this video till end and you will surely enjoy it. Number 1. Rolling up your sleeves the right way. It works whether you are wearing short or long sleeves. When it comes to a long sleeved shirt, rolling your sleeves to the elbow brings out the forearms. Doing a couple of rolls with a short sleeve shirt accentuates the shoulder a bit more. Number 2. Signature scent. You probably saw this coming. Yes, you need a fragrance to win a day. Is it necessary? No, in fact, plenty of ladies are content with a man smelling like his soap. Will it give you incredible advantage? Hell yes! Certain scents are significantly proven to catch a woman's attention. Stay away from citrus scents. They invigorate us guys, but women aren't fazed by them. Number 3. Wear a plain white shirt or t-shirt. There are signs to back it. Why? Plain white creates the illusion of broader shoulders and slimmer waist. This makes for that much soft after V-shape in the torso. That is of the most of those who you feel you are out of shape. Well-toned men saw only a marginal increase in attraction, while others had drastic results. Number 4. Your confidence. Girl find a guy's confidence an extremely sexy trait. The way you carry yourself around a girl or the way you talk to him or her confidently plays a big part in how much you awe her. Number 5. Speaking passionately. This works when a mutual attraction is already established. As one article put it, passionate men appear set on their goals. They seem like they know what they want and nothing can stop them being sexy. So guys, here we end up with our video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share the video. Also don't forget to subscribe Male Soul. Also comment down the next topic on which you want a video. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.